All right, so we are back with the 1997 Dodge Dakota 3.9. The issue is, if you've been watching our channel, we've had to replace the engine heads. We did intake work. We replaced a lot of sensors on there, doing the throttle body, new fuel injectors, tune-up, all the different sensors. So now that we took it to mechanic, they were saying that they think there is a timing chain issue because we couldn't get the engine timed. So my son already removed the AC compressor, the alternator. Let me see. We removed the water pump right here. So now we're going to take off the crankshaft pulley and the harmonic balancer and a couple of bolts, and we're going to see this timing chain. So
Excited?
Hopefully. So into AutoZone, the crankshaft pulley bolt is 1 1/4. All right, so got that off. All right, so we're going to take off the harmonic balancer.
Isn't it the bottom of the timing chain?
All right, so it's kind of hard to show you on here. So the water pump, the bolts go through the timing chain cover into the block on the top right there. So now, see the camera go down there. We have these 2 bolts right there that hold this power steering line. Let's see, that bolt right there. And then you have to be careful because, let me see if you can see right here, the oil pan, it shares the same gasket. So you have 2 bolts, one right there that goes underneath and one there. So all we gotta do is take off 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and this cover should be coming off. So the 2 that are the oil pan,
That's right here.
you see it? Those are 1/2 inch, and the timing chain are 9/16. So like I said, be very careful. I don't want to have to remove this oil pan.
Okay, I got it. This one's loose.
Yeah, so yeah, the timing chain cover shares the gasket and those 2 bolts. So you just have those 2 bolts and 2, well no, 3 for the timing chain. Alright, so we took off all the bolts. It should come off. Yeah, it's loose. It's loose on this side. You know what? I think you didn't take off a bolt right there.
Right.
There's one. Alright, so that should be it right there. We're going to check out this timing chain, see if there's a lot of slack on it. On Google, it does say that when you overheat an engine, that it can ruin your chain or stretch it. So the way it's driving, it's like bogging out and engine's backfiring. On this engine, the 1997, you're not able to use the timing light and adjust the distributor to do the timing. It's all electronic. So the mechanic was saying that he thinks might have jumped a tooth. We're about to find out.
Oh, yeah.
We've done a lot of work on this.
I don't know. Hopefully this is the last bit of it. Started.
All right, it comes off pretty easy.
Oh my god.
I was worried about
The moment of truth. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's loose.
All right, but let's see. So that's where the oil pan gasket runs on. I wanted to make sure I didn't run that. So while we're here, we're going to go ahead and do the front seal just to be on the safe side.
Yeah.
Clean this all up.
Oh yeah. That's the first time I've seen one in person. The timing chains.
Let me get in here so you can see.
Yeah, it's real bad.
Yeah,
It's like all the guys.
there is a lot of this side's real tight, but a lot of slack right there. The one thing I wanted to check on is on the crankshaft, there's a dot, and on the camshaft there's a dot, and you want this one. We're gonna have to find top dead center.
But how do you find top dead center?
Top dead center, you go to the number 1 spark plug and piston. We're going to take out the spark plug. We're going to put a screwdriver inside there, and then you turn this crank until the screwdriver comes all the way to the top. That means it's top dead center. And once we get there, we'll check the sprockets and see. So yeah, we're pretty much going to have to, first I want to see if it's lined up, and then we're going to have to, it says when you replace the chain, you have to replace the, what are these, sprockets? No, a cog, but you have to replace the whole thing.
I said cogs, but
and I don't see any tensioners.
Yeah. Well, didn't they say there wasn't any?
Alright, so that's this update right here. Stay tuned for more future updates and progress on this Dodge Dakota. Had to do a lot of work, and a lot of work to go. Hopefully we can get this on the road soon.
Hopefully
Thanks
not
for
that much
watching.
more. Not that much more work.